Hello, third grade. We have been spending a lot of time in our reading exploration trying to figure out how to find a just right book. And one very important part of that is finding a book that you're interested in and that you might enjoy. So sometimes when I'm having trouble finding a book that fits that description, I like to see what my friends have been reading and I ask them for a recommendation. So today we're going to create a place where you all can log in and see what your friends are reading and what they would recommend. So here's how you will submit a recommendation. This is what the website is going to look like once you click on it and it's posted in It's Learning. Join with Google. I'm going to get my MRHE email, and that's what you'll click also. All right, here's the information. The one thing I want you to be careful and notice is that you have 2 minutes to record information. So you want to make sure that what you're sharing with your friends is important and helpful. That for a book recommendation looks like this: the author, the title of the book, of course, what it's mostly about, and then maybe your favorite part. So let's show you what that looks like. Click the record a response. So it's going to walk you through all the steps. It's very simple. The first thing I'm going to do is click the record button, and I'm going to show you what a book recommendation looks like. Hi, Room 108. I just got done reading a book that I think you'd really enjoy. It's Chrysanthemum, and it's by Kevin Hinkes. In this story, there's a mouse character, as you can see, so it's going to be a make-believe fiction story. And she is entering a new school year, and she's kind of struggling with a part of her identity. She's kind of uncomfortable with her name. And the reason she's uncomfortable is because people at school are making fun of her. Look how many letters Chrysanthemum has in her name. Now, because it's part of her identity, Chrysanthemum loves her name. So she kind of works through how to become comfortable with it. And by the end of the book, she's very confident that this part of her identity is very special to her. My favorite part is at the end when her teacher helps her kind of work through that process. It's definitely something I would recommend for you, and it's a storybook, not a chapter book, so something that you could probably finish during your independent reading time. Let me know if you like it. Then you'll notice I hit the pause button because I'm done. Hi, Room 108. Here is where you can review your video, okay? And if at the end you think, oh man, I forgot to give the title, or I forgot to say my favorite part, you can click the Add More button. I feel confident that I included all the important pieces, so I'm going to go to the next button. You can take a selfie with your book. I like to go ahead and do that just in case people need to go back to it and make sure that the title is included. Oh, that one didn't work. Let's try again. You have to play around with it a little bit. There I am. All right, let's keep that one. Things that you must include in your Flipgrid book recommendation is definitely your name. I want to know who's recommending what, and you can include the title of your book. That would be helpful. And since I took my selfie with it, I can just copy it. Submit. Great. Now when people log in to our Flipgrid, they will be able to see my selfie and watch my video, which recommends Chrysanthemum. I would love for you to try this today, and we'll share some of your book responses tomorrow. Have fun!